Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 to your phone. So here is my Galaxy Fit 3 and here is my phone, a Samsung Galaxy A45. And if you want to connect this watch to your phone, it is very easy. First you need to have or download the Samsung Galaxy wearable app on your phone. Here there is. And then just tap here more and continue. And allow Galaxy Wearable to find, connect and determine the relative position of your nearby devices. Just tap allow and now my phone is searching. And it found my watch and now just check the number on your band, it's the same, and tap confirm. Wait for a few seconds. And now it's downloading the software. You need to wait. And now you need to enter your Samsung account if you have one. If you don't have, you can sign in with Google or with a QR code. I already have one and I will enter my email and my password. And here you need to check this agreement and then just tap continue. Here tap allow. And here let's read, to locate your phone with your band, you need to allow Galaxy Wearable to access your location. For that, just tap settings, and here you can check allow all the time, and then go back and tap continue, and tap again allow, again to access your contacts, and again allow to determine your position, to send notification, to make and manage phone calls, and to access photo and videos, to send and view SMS messages, and that's all. Now just wait. Here for local weather tap agree. And now it's loading weather location. And here you can check auto backup and tap next. Set your wearing preference on the left. Yes, it's okay. Tap next. And here get help in emergency. Just tap next. Again, next to track your daily activity. Again, next to understand your sleep. And now it's finishing up. You need to wait for a few seconds or I guess minutes. Let's see. And now it's over. Enjoy your band. Okay. And here on my band I will tap start and let's take a closer look. Swipe down for the top to open the quick panel. Here there is. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. Okay. And finding your app, just tap next. And for apps, swipe up from the bottom to the edge and swipe down to go back to the watch face. Okay. So for notifications, swipe right. And here there are my notifications. Okay, and swipe left to go back to the watch face. For tiles, swipe left like this and press home key to go to watch face. And now it's over and I took a tour of my band. And now to go to the apps, just swipe up. It is very easy. And here are my shortcuts. If you swipe down, you will find the shortcuts. So, in my opinion, this band, it is very nice. And also, I hope this tutorial to be useful for you. And see you to the next. Have a nice day.